My name's Larry O'Hagan. I'm with Nanolumens. Nanolumens is a US-based manufacturer of direct view LED, headquarters Atlanta, Georgia. Our products are located on 5 continents, so we are global. So just taking you to some basics, Nanolumens can build walls both in flat, like pictured here, as well as curved. We have applications in manufacturing, everything from the C-level suites to all hands walls, to production, maintenance, safety and security, operation control rooms. So it can be used to be showing different alerts coming out of production if we have some issues that occur on the line. Likewise for maintenance, do we have maintenance issues that are taking place? Safety and security, obviously, gates, doors, passageways, as well as being able to get a general view of the personnel. As you go into the C-level, we're used for the CEO's boardroom and his board of directors meetings. We're also big in customer engagement centers where we're bringing in clients and we want to hit them with that wow factor. Here's one of my spare panels, and using a suction tool, we're able to pull one of these panels off the display. I tell people it'll take them longer to find their ladder than it will be to replace with a spare. They register to the display, so they let the controller know, here's where I am on the display and here's the content you need to be sending to me. All we need are HDMI inputs. And so if we've got a local application here where we've got a display that's 24 feet wide by 6 feet high, they're running 18 individual windows, they've got 18 individual inputs. Yeah, so number one, we're seamless. Number two, we own the wall space. So we can do flat or curved walls, but Nanolumens is responsible for the demarc to make sure that display goes in without any seams, without any ripples or waves in it.